Good day mga idol! Welcome back to Stock Market U. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung prospectus ni Balai ni Fruitas Inc. So without further ado, let's get ready to rumble. So, hold on. Yan, issuer Balai ni Fruitas Inc. Stock symbol to be announced pa, pero baka maging Balai din yan. The offer is 325 million primary common shares. Estimated net proceeds 220 million pesos. Offer price up to 0.75, hindi pa rin final. Offer period tsaka listing date to be announced pa rin yan. If you could remember, supposedly dapat March yan, pero for some reason na delay kasama ni Raslag. And then stabilizing agent, First Metro Securities. Underwriter, First Metro Investment Corporation. Alright, business overview, no? Si Balai ni Fruitas, formerly known as Buko ni Fruitas, subsidiary yan ni Fruitas Holdings Inc. No, si Fruitas Holdings Inc. sa mga nakakalam, no, listed na sa PSE yan, na may stock symbol na fruit. Kung maaalala nyo yun mga idol, di ba? Yung listing date niyan, first half, umabot ng 40% and then a whipsaw in the afternoon. And then, anyway, yung currently, Balai has 3 active brands, namely Buko ni Fruitas, Fruitas House of Desserts, and Balai Pandesal, no? So, ito yun. Si Buko ni Fruitas nag-start noong 2005. First kiosk in Robinsons, Manila. And then si Fruitas House of Desserts naman, following the success of the BNF brand, the company launched the FOHD brand to expand its product portfolio to healthy desserts, etc. And then si Balai Pandesal naman, recently na-acquired nila noong June 2021, last year lang. Alright? So, sa stores naman, meron silang 69 stores. Napakagandang numero. As of September 30, 2021. So, 50 stores galing sa NCR, 17 kabuuan ng Luzon yon, and then, dalawa pa lang sa Vismin, no? I think kasi maprutas sa mga tao doon. Hindi na kailangan ng prutas. Anyway, sa stores, yun nga, no? Ito yung breakdown. Company owned sa Balai Pandesal is 17.6 yung franchise. So, total of 23. Buko ni Fruitas, 37, walang franchise. Fruitas House of Desserts, 9 company-owned, wala ring franchise. Grand total of 69 stores. And then yung store formats nila, ganito, may 3 silang store formats. Yung community store, kiosk, and inline store. No? Yung inline store, bago sa term ko to, nung nire-research ko siya, parang strategic position siya na nakalagay sa malls, commercial establishments, and food courts. Pinaganda lang, pero parang ganun din. And Milestone 2005, na-incorporate si Buko ni Fruitas Inc. In the same year, the first Buko ni Fruitas store was opened, yun nga, in Robinsons, Manila. 2012, Fruitas House of Desserts was launched. In August of the same year, the first Fruitas House of Desserts store was opened in Robinsons, Magnolia. In December of the same year, Balai Pandesal naman opened its first store at Mindanao Avenue. Pero hindi pa nila na-acquire yan, no? Kasi 2021 nila na-acquire. The company, 2017, becomes a 100% subsidiary na ni Fruitas Holdings. And then 2021, in the month of June, the company acquired si Balai Pandesal. In the same month, the first Balai Pandesal company-owned store opened in Camuning, Quezon City, renaming of Buko ni Fruitas Inc. to Balai ni Fruitas Inc. Alright. Sa risk naman, so globally na-experience natin yung inflation, no? Siyempre, pag mataas ang inflation, tumataas din yung materials, no? Cost of goods sold, disruption in the supply of key raw materials and key products. And then, number 2, highly competitive yung industry nila, no? And then third, there may be food safety and foodborne illness concerns, no? Kasama sa risk yan. And then, Balay's success depends substantially on the value of its brands. Alright. Pagdating sa competitive strength, sabi nila, meron silang strong brand. Then second, ideally positioned to take advantage of growing Philippine middle class. Meron tayong momentum dyan. And then number 3, pursue aggressive network expansion to take advantage of Philippine economic expansion as well as rapid urbanization of regions outside Metro Manila. Sa proceeds naman, use of proceeds, 220 million pesos yung estimated net proceeds, 180 million doon, galalagay nila for store network expansion, and then commissary setup, 20 million, potential acquisitions, 20 million. Ang timeline niyan is 2022 until 2023. And then dividends, meron na silang dividend history, Since 2017, then 2019, then 2021, nagbigay sila. Ayan yung amount of dividends. And then the company has approved a dividend policy of distributing from 20 to 30% of its net income after tax. Dilution, approximate net tangible book value is 0.25. So therefore, kung final offer price is 0.75, selling at a premium yung 0.75. Market cap, assuming 0.75 yung price, post-offer, market cap is 1.1 billion pesos. Lockup period, 365 days. Fruitas Holdings Inc. Yung may malaking substantial shares, of course. And then sa financial position naman, as of September 30, 2021, meron silang net income na 2 million, 2.2. Pero meron silang loss nung 2020. And then, 2020. And then, ito naman yung on the left side, yung net income nila from 2017, 2018, and 2019. Alright. Key financial ratios as of September 30, 2021. Net profit margin, masyadong mababa, 2.6% lang. Ganon din si return on assets, ROA, and then return on equity, 1.9%. Masyadong mababa yan. And then net income, ito na nga yun. So yun, my thoughts, though they said in the prospectus that they have a strong brand as part of their competitive strengths, for me, it would be very hard for them to dominate in the industry unless they can build a strong brand like Coca-Cola that is almost associated with all occasions. Second, masyadong maraming alternatives. And then, yung demand is elastic, especially na magkakaroon tayo ng inflation. So, namataas na inflation. So, yun lang mga idol, no? Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you sa next IPO. Have a nice day.